Depending on the nature of their work, they may also have access to company network, information system, and information assets. So, other employee naman, dito nakapaloob ang contract labor, consultant, janitor, and guard. Yung mga tauhan sa other employee is temporary hire lang, kumbaga on call sa kumpanya. Pero, itong mga tauhan na ito ay naka-access din sila sa information system ng kumpanya. And although yung consultant naman ay hindi empleyado, is nagtatrabaho pa rin sila for the company. Finally, janitors and guards are the most frequently ignored people in information security system. Companies frequently outsource their security and janitorial services. As with contractors, then these individuals work for the company although they technically are not employees. Moreover, they are usually present when most, if not all, other employees have gone home. They typically have key to every office, and nobody questions their presence in even the most sensitive parts of the building. So, yung janitor at guard is sila yung madalas na hindi napapansin ng mga tao sa information security. And kapag lahat na empleyado sa kumpanya is nakauwi na, silang naiiwan sa kumpanya. And syempre, may hawak din silang susi ng bawat office ng kumpanya. And halos doon na sila natutulog, masigurado lang na malinis and safe ang company for the employees. So, human error or mistake by employees pose a large problem as the result of laziness, carelessness, or lack of awareness concerning information security. This lack of awareness comes from poor education and training efforts by the organization. Human mistakes manifest themselves in many different ways as shown in the table 4.1.